Alright gamers, listen up. You're probably tired of lag, sluggish load times, and low frame rates, right? Well today, I'm gonna show you how to build the ultimate gaming PC in 2024. Yes, we're talking about a rig that'll make your games look and run like a dream. First off, let's talk processors. You want something that can handle the latest games without breaking a sweat. The AMD Ryzen 9 7950X is your best bet. With 16 cores and 32 threads, this beast can multitask like a pro, whether you're streaming, gaming, or editing videos. Next, the GPU. For top-tier performance, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 is the king of the hill. Real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and a ton of VRAM. It's got it all. Trust me, you won't regret this investment. Now, memory. 32 GB of DDR5 RAM is the sweet spot for gaming in 2024. It's fast, reliable, and ensures your system can handle anything you throw at it, from epic battles to massive open worlds. Storage is crucial too. I recommend a 1TB NVMe SSD for lightning-fast load times. Games are getting bigger, and you need the speed to match. Plus, throw in an extra 2TB HDD for all your other files. Motherboard? Go with the Asus ROG Strix X670E. It's packed with features like PCIe 5.0 support, Wi-Fi 6E, and robust power delivery. Basically, it's future-proof. For cooling, a liquid cooler like the NZXT Kraken X73 keeps your CPU temps in check. It's quiet, efficient, and looks cool. Literally. Power supply? The Corsair RM850X is rock solid. It's fully modular and has more than enough juice for your components. Finally, the case. The Lion Lee PC011 Dynamic is a fan favorite for a reason. Great airflow, plenty of space, and a sleek look. And there you have it, your ultimate 2024 gaming PC. Remember, building your own rig not only saves you money but also gives you a sense of achievement. Plus, you get exactly what you want. So, get out there and start building. Happy gaming.